Hi everyone, so I've teamed up with High Point Scientific in the United States to do a telescope giveaway to my American viewers. Now, if you are international, don't fret, I do have a giveaway coming when I hit 2,000 subscribers, but for right now, this is American only because it is sponsored by High Point Scientific and they are regionally bound. So, if you are interested in winning this telescope, there are two things that you're going to need to do. Number one is you're going to have to show up to the live stream. I already have it set up on my channel, scheduled and everything, on July 4th at 10 Eastern Daylight Time 2021. The second thing you're going to need to do is at the bottom of this video and of the live stream, in the description, there is a link to a sign-up page. Basically, sign up for free. It's just so I have your email and confirm that you are American. Just in case I have technical difficulties during the live stream, I'll pull a name from that list. Or when I'm doing the live stream and somebody wins, I have their email. I don't have to chase somebody down. This is the second giveaway I've done, and I ran into some problems with people don't always go on YouTube as much as I might think, so that they see my message that says, hey, you've won. If I send you guys an email, you have 48 hours to respond back with the pertinent details I'll need, aka your name and shipping address, so I can put the telescope in a box and ship it to you. Now, if you're wondering what the prize is, voila! This is a Celestron First Scope. It is a 76mm Dobsonian telescope. It does come with the accessory pack because it was nice enough to send that along with me, which includes 4 lenses, this viewfinder, and the scope itself. This is actually a really great scope for beginners, and if you're thinking, I'm more advanced, I don't necessarily need this, that might be true, but there's a good chance you know somebody who does, or kids that might want to try this. It's not necessarily great for young kids, but you know, when you get to kids, pre-teens, teens, this is a great scope to get them hooked on astronomy. So this is the big giveaway prize. Woo! Now, boom. I think it's boom. Here's the link to the live stream, hopefully, or it'll be in the description below. So if you have any questions, let me know. But otherwise, I will see you on Sunday.